Are you looking for the best hunting slingshots? Hunting slingshots have evolved from simple pocket toys to purpose-built tools for target practice, training, and selective game use. Today's models balance materials, power, ergonomics, and accessory ecosystems, making it essential to match a slingshot to your use case, whether that's precision target shooting, outdoor competition, or casual hunting. In this review,
Product number 1, Simple Shot Scout XT Slingshot Overview. The Scout XT is Simple Shot's flagship polycarbonate frame slingshot, designed for professional hunting and versatile target shooting. This bundle emphasizes durability, broad ammo compatibility, 1/4, 5/16, 3/8, 7/16, half steel shot, 9mm and 12mm clay ammo, training ammo, and a user-friendly setup with flip clips X band attachments. The kit includes a performance frame, clay and steel ammo tubes, a spinner target, and 2 replacement bands with a microfiber pouch, making it a complete starter to mid-range system. Performance-wise, the ultra-hard polycarbonate frame delivers consistent shot-to-shot stiffness, while the latex bands are tuned for a wide power band enabling OTT and TTF shooting styles. The included alignment aids and target spinner help with sighting practice and fine motor control. The kit's upgrade path is clear. You can swap bands and add different ammo types to suit hunting regulations and target disciplines. The ergonomic grip and universal fit across shooter sizes contribute to stable hold, though users with very small hands might still prefer a more compact.
Product number 2, Slingshot Overview. The RCZZSWE set emphasizes a stainless steel frame construction with ergonomic grip and a broad accessory kit, including 2 targets, magnetic ring, pouch, 50 clay balls, 50 stainless steel balls, 6 rubber bands of varying thickness, and a mechanical sight. It's positioned as a versatile starter to intermediate kit, suitable for practice, competitions, and casual hunting, with a focus on portability and expandability. Performance and ergonomics center on a robust steel frame and multiple sighting options, enabling precise aiming for beginners and intermediate shooters. The inclusion of multiple band thicknesses supports tuning for different draw strengths, while the stainless steel sights help with alignment. This kit is well suited for those who value a complete training package and the option to grow into more advanced disciplines. However, its weight and bulk may be a drawback for stealth or easy storage.
Product number 3, Simple Shot Scout XT Slingshot Overview. This entry is the same Scout XT model as Product 1, but listed here as a standalone variant without explicit bundling, reflecting a slightly different packaging or SKU. It maintains the same ultra-durable polycarbonate frame, high-performance latex bands, and compatibility with a broad ammo range, including clay and steel projectiles. The included target and spare bands mirror the primary Scout XT bundle's value proposition. In practice, the Scout XT excels at delivering consistent performance across OTT and TTF shooting styles, with a proven track record in target shooting and hunting contexts. The Flip Clips X system and 2 replacement bands reduce downtime between sessions. While price is at the premium end of this lineup, the bundled target and ammo tubes provide tangible value for shooters who want a complete ecosystem out of the box. Users should consider their
Product number 4, Slingshot Overview. Kui's Wrist Sling Rocket Kit centers on a multi-band system described as 6 rubber bands, a metal body, and a wrist support frame designed to stabilize high-velocity launches. The kit includes a removable flashlight, clay and steel ammo, a spare band, and a robust launching setup. It's pitched as a high-power, all-purpose slingshot, suitable for attention training, entertainment, and hunting, with emphasis on night targeting thanks to the integrated light. Performance-wise, the 6-band configuration promises greater peak velocity and a pronounced launch impulse, which can translate to higher energy on impact with suitable ammo. The wrist brace adds stability during long sessions, but it can also constrain wrist movement for some users. The included flashlight boosts night usability, though it adds extra weight. The setup is strong for beginners and
Product number 5, Professional Slingshot Set. Overview. Dinkrei's budget option emphasizes simple, robust construction with a pull strength up to 30 pounds and a wrist rest for stability. The package includes a slingshot, 2 packs of ammo, and a spare band, offering a straightforward, value-focused entry into the category. The ergonomic wrist rests and metal synthetic construction aim to provide reliable performance at a lower price point. In use, the Dinkkreis setup prioritizes basic reliability and consistent shooting fundamentals. The 30-pound draw is solid for training and casual hunting, and the included 2-year warranty signals confidence in durability. For newcomers or budget-conscious buyers, this model offers a practical balance of function and affordability. However, it lacks some of the premium features seen in higher-priced kits, such as advanced band systems, integrated sights, or a broad accessory ecosystem.